Are you ready for some mind-blowing news? The SEC has set its sights on Richard Hart and his groundbreaking cryptocurrency project, HEX. But hold on tight, because these are just allegations, and Richard Hart has the right to defend himself. Remember, this isn't the first time the SEC has investigated crypto projects. Recently, the SEC has been going after different cryptocurrency projects, including Near Protocol, Polygon Matic, and XRP. Even Coinbase has had its own run-ins with the SEC. The regulatory body is diving deeper into the crypto landscape, especially after the FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried incident, where some users are trying to get their funds back. With this increased scrutiny, even successful projects like HEX, which has seen price volatility, have caught the SEC's attention. It's been a wild ride with crazy price swings, and we're here to break it all down for you. Make sure to follow us on Twitter, where we share all the latest updates about crypto. The link is in the description. As a special bonus for our subscribers, we are offering up to $30,000 worth of free bonus for trading crypto on Bybit Exchange. This incredible opportunity allows you to enhance your trading experience and potentially boost your profits. Simply follow the link in the description, register a new account on Bybit, and claim your bonus. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the story of HEX and its founder, Richard Hart. Back in 2018, Richard introduced HEX as the first high-yield blockchain certificate of deposit, offering the potential for riches to investors. Sounds exciting, right? But hold on, there's a twist. The SEC, that's the Securities and Exchange Commission, has raised some concerns about HEX's journey. They say that between 2018 and 2020, HEX conducted unregistered offerings, raising over a whopping 2.3 million Ethereum. Yikes, that's against the SEC rules, and they're not too happy about it. And wait, there's more. Richard Hart made some bold claims about HEX's staking feature, promising a jaw-dropping 38% return for investors. But according to the SEC, it didn't quite pan out as he said. They allege that the staking feature was misrepresented, leaving investors feeling a little disappointed. But here's where things get even more interesting. The SEC says that Richard wasn't satisfied with just HEX. Oh no, he reportedly orchestrated unregistered offerings for two more projects, Pulsechain and PulseX. These offerings managed to raise hundreds of millions in cryptocurrency assets. Remember, these are just allegations at this point, and Richard Hart deserves a chance to explain himself. We'll be keeping a close eye on how this story unfolds. Now, let's talk about the market impact and the uncertainty surrounding the SEC allegations. When the news about the SEC charges hit the crypto community, it definitely caused some waves. HEX, Pulsechain, and PulseX tokens experienced significant price declines. But here's the interesting part. At the time of recording this video, the tokens have miraculously bounced back, showing some green numbers. This sudden price recovery has left many scratching their heads and wondering about the SEC's actions and what Richard Hart's defense might be. As exciting as these price recoveries may be, we want to remind you to stay level-headed and approach this situation with patience and caution. Remember, this is an ongoing legal process and things can change quickly in the crypto world, but there's something about this particular scenario that really intrigued us. If you want to know what, be sure to like and share this video if you haven't already. It is about the highest of stakes movie. It's like something straight out of a mystery novel. The SEC charges against Richard Hart came to light just a few days before the movie's release. Talk about a coincidence, right? It has certainly sparked our curiosity and raised eyebrows in the crypto community. Now let's be clear. We can't jump to conclusions or definitively establish a direct link between the two events. But hey, it's only natural for us to wonder about the potential implications of such timing. Could there be some hidden connection? Or is it just pure coincidence? The plot thickens. But hey, remember, this is just our opinion, and we're here to keep you informed with all the facts. So stay tuned for further developments, and we'll be sure to update you if anything new comes to light. Now, when it comes to market cap evaluation, Pulsechain, PulseX INC token, and HEX are showing some promising numbers. Their market cap suggests that these projects have room for growth and could be heading in some exciting direction. Now, we know there's been some turmoil with the SEC allegations, but don't let that dim your optimism. We firmly believe that despite the current challenges, these projects still hold tremendous potential. The crypto world is always full of twists and turns, and we've seen projects bounce back from tough times before. Pulsechain and its ecosystem might just be one of those success stories in the making. As investors, it's essential to have faith in the long-term vision and potential of the projects we support. The future is always uncertain, especially in the world of cryptocurrencies. So it's crucial to be prepared for multiple outcomes. That's the name of the game. Now, in the middle of all this, one possible scenario could be experiencing one more dip before heading higher. It's like a bumpy ride on a thrilling roller coaster, where we might see a little downward movement before bouncing back. On the flip side, we also need to be open to the possibility of trending lower. The crypto world can be full of surprises, and sometimes we might face temporary setbacks. But hey, don't worry. With the right mindset and a thoughtful approach, we can handle whatever comes our way. Don't forget that Pulsechain's Hex ecosystem is built on a solid foundation. So let's take a moment to appreciate the power of fundamentals in the Pulsechain Hex ecosystem. There's a reason why we believe in these projects, and it's all about their unique strengths. Hex, Pulsechain, and PulseX have got some serious game. First off, they offer trustless yield, which means you can earn rewards without relying on intermediaries. That's like having more control over your investments, and who doesn't love that? Plus, these projects give you full control over your crypto. No need to worry about leaving your coins on exchanges or losing control. It's all about being in charge of your financial destiny. And here's the cherry on top. They have a track record of impressive appreciation in the past. Hex, the very first project, experienced tremendous success, making over 10,000x in less than 24 months. We expect the same for Pulsechain and PulseX. Now, we get it. Recent news might have shaken some faith, but let's not forget the strong fundamentals that underpin these projects. Remember XRP? Yeah, it faced some tough times when dealing with SEC challenges. But guess what? It's experienced dips just like we're seeing now, but it also made some remarkable recoveries. And speaking of rising, our fantastic community is standing strong and committed to supporting the Pulsechain Hex ecosystem. Richard's visionary approach has been instrumental in keeping the Pulsechain Hex ecosystem going strong even through tough times. He built this system with foresight, ensuring that it could weather storms and challenges like the ones we're facing now. That's why you need to remain bullish when it comes to the Pulsechain Hex ecosystem. And that's all for this video. We sincerely hope that our analysis and insights have provided valuable guidance for your investment decisions. To stay ahead of the game and remain up to date with the latest developments in the crypto world, we invite you to follow us on Twitter. There, you'll find real-time updates, breaking news, and engaging discussions with like-minded enthusiasts. Your thoughts and ideas are valuable to us, and we encourage you to contribute to our vibrant community.